Hello kids, how are you all? Fine? Good. Now have you heard a story of a lion and a mouse? Yes, that mouse at last which helped the lion to get rid of that net by cutting it. Remember that mouse in UKG, LKG you heard the story, right? Yes, we are going to talk for the same mouse. The spelling are same, okay, but both are different things, okay. Ready? Okay, let's start. Introduction to mouse. What are the things we are going to learn first? Let us see that. Characteristics of mouse. How does it appears? Another name of mouse. And what are the activities which can be done using this mouse? Okay, there are main 4 parts of the computer. Which are they? Monitor, CPU, keyboard, and the last one, the tiniest one, which is that? Mouse. Yes, we are going to learn about that mouse. Okay, see, you can see the picture over here? Yes, the same mouse. What is this in my hand? The mouse which is at your house. Yes, running here and there, having a tail. See, even this mouse has a tail. Can you see? Yes, the spellings are also same. Black in color, appearance, looks, everything same. Yes or no? But it is a part of a computer. It cannot eat anything. Only the appearance is same. It cannot eat. But the mouse is at your house, they eat everything. Whatever, if the food is lying out, it will come and pick up. It loves cheese, you know that, yes? Yes. Now let's go further. Okay, this is the mouse. It is an input device. Why it is an input device? Because with this mouse, we give the data to the computer. Okay, it is a input device. It is made up of plastic. Okay? Yes, and the most important, it is also known as mouse because of its shape is like mouse, same. The mouse is made of plastic material. The mouse should be kept on the smooth surface. Rough surface doesn't work, and we also have a mouse pad with it. Yes, and it is very smooth. So always remember that the mouse should be on smooth surface. Then the next, what is another name of mouse? It's a pointing device. Okay, the mouse is also known as a pointing device. It is used, what is the use of it? It is used to select the data, different menus and icons. Okay, and we can, your most favorite thing, drawing and playing games. With this mouse you can do both the things very nicely. Okay, your favorite, I know. Everybody loves painting in the computer and even playing games. Okay, so these are the things. Okay, earlier, no children, there was a ball at the base of the mouse. This type of mouse were known as optical mouse. But nowadays, we find a small red color light. It is not known as optical. Okay, see the difference? This is with the ball and this is with the light. Nowadays, we doesn't see this type of mouse. We see this type of mouse. This type of mouse are available in the market. We'll learn the definition first. Okay. There was a ball present at the base of the mouse, but nowadays a light is found at the base of a mouse, and this type of mouse are known as optical mouse. Okay. Now what are the activity which the mouse can do? 5 activities, which is the click, double click, right click, drag and drop and scroll button. This all 5 can be asked in your question answers. Which are the 5 things a mouse can do? What are the activities? So this 5 you have to remember. Which are they? A click, a double click, right click, drag and drop and scroll button. Now we will see this each activity one by one. First one, click. The definition. Pressing and releasing the left button of the mouse is known as a click. By clicking, we can select any menu or icon. the mouse arrow should be at the proper place before we click. Only one time we have to click. For a click we have to only one time. See, I have made an arrow over here, and which side it is? Left side. Okay, so that it is used for selecting any menu or icon. The second one, which is that double click. Definition: pressing and the left mouse button twice very fast is known as double click. Okay, come on, again say with me. Pressing the left button mouse twice very fast is very important, is known as a double click. Double click, what is the use of double click? It is used to open any program which is displayed as a shortcut on the desktop, and the first click is used for selecting and the second click is used to open the program. Okay. But always remember that your mouse should not move when you double click it. It should be at the same position, and the double click is be done very fast. Okay. See, I have done 2 arrows over here, and which side out of the 3 buttons, which is the blue one, no? That is the left side button that we have to press twice. So, what it will do? It will first select and then open the program which is displayed on the desktop. Now, the third activity, that is the right click. See the definition and learn it. Pressing and releasing the right button of the mouse is known as right click. Which button of the mouse? The right side. See here the right button, not the left side, this side. Okay. Pressing and releasing the right button of the mouse is known as the right click. We can open different pop-up menus using this right click. This right click is used to open many pop-up menus. Okay. And it is also used to execute some frequently used commands. This is very important and it is also asked in the question answers. So, please do learn it. Right click is used to execute some frequently used command. What is the use of right click? It is used to execute some frequently used commands. The next one is drag and drop. When you are, first you have to press the left button, okay. It should not be released before you go to the other side. Then let it press, move the mouse on the other side and then you have to release. See the definition, it is very important. Moving the mouse with its left button pressed from one place to another and then releasing the left button is known as drag and drop. Again, moving the mouse with its left button pressed from one place to another and then releasing the left button is known as drag and drop. I have showed the picture over here. In the first picture, mouse is at position 1. In the second one, the blue side, it is pressed. The third picture, we have not released and just took it to the position 2, and here we have released it. Okay. And it is used to move the icons and file from one place to another. It can be asked in your exam that what is the use of it. So, it can be used to move the file and icons from one place to another. Now, come to the last one, scroll button, which is in the middle of left and right button, that is a wheel. Okay. The small ring between the two buttons on the optical mouse is known as a scroll button. Here you can see a scroll button which I have highlighted with red color, and you can move it up and down. Okay. We can scroll the information up and down using this button, and this is known as scrolling. It can be asked in your exam. So, please do learn it very nicely. What is scrolling? Okay. A ring between the two buttons on an optical mouse is known as scroll button. Now, see the 3 parts, 3 buttons, left click, the middle yellow is scroll, and the last one is right click. Same picture but in blue color. Left, this is the button, a wheel, and the right click. This was all about the mouse. Thank you.